Guys on the beat.
Hey my Zay dolls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up, what's good? It's your girl Xrsbeauty, and I am back with another freaking video. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, ignore the fact that I have one earring in. It did not pee, okay? Y'all can tell by the title. We got a hair video. Papa, wait. Give me a second. Just wait. Please. Give me a second. You should be asleep. Louis, chill out. So, you know, we still in mommy mode, but I'm trying to multitask. I can't pick him up yet. Alright, cause you're seeing it, bro. But back to what I was, if you're gonna be up here, you need to chill out. Back to what I was saying. As you guys can tell by the title, we have a hair video, and it's by Xrsbeauty. Y'all know they love the girl. I think this is like our 4th time working with them, or 3rd time. I don't know, but they always give, they always serve. The hair is always bomb, and y'all know that. Like, y'all know when I started with them, they were the first ones that had the clear lace, and nobody had the clear lace but Xrs. So they are back with something new. Like, they got something new for y'all. I'm gonna read the paper because I want to tell y'all exactly how it's given. Like, I don't want to make nothing up, tell y'all the wrong stuff. Their new thing is single knots versus double knots, and I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm not buying another double knot wig. Like, bro, if y'all hear something, that's my fan. Cause this is not a choking video, so, and I'm gonna be hot. So, look, first of all, look at this lace. Where to who?
Because I miss you and the dogs really miss you. Mom is really trying hard and working on her program every day. She's
Look at that. Where to who?
Working on crossword puzzles and taking up sewing and
Where to who, bro? So the inside of the wig does, like, they do give you like the scalp thing inside the wig, which I'm really not too fond of, but it's all good. It's whatever. So they put the braids in like the middle of the wig to show you like the single knot of the wig or whatever. So you guys see that, right? You gotta get down there. You're doing too much. Doing too much. This style of wig is about $60 to $80 cheaper, I believe, than their clear lace series that they had dropped. What I would say is, when I put the wig on, I'm not keeping these 2 braids in because I kind of want to do a style, but I'm really not too sure yet. I'm still going to put a cap on because I just don't know. So in the little image that's right here, y'all can tell the difference. Y'all can really see an up close version of single knots versus double knots, and it speaks for itself. We're not gonna do any talking. We're gonna get straight into installing this wig. I didn't even really show y'all the hair. I'm tripping. Where's my brush? Okay. So they sent me a straight 22-inch, I think 180 decency, if I'm not mistaken. So it's a good 22 or whatever. That's why I don't know what style we're gonna do yet, but we'll figure it out. So like I just said, just watch me get into it.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hardship just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through.
Okay, my Zay dolls. We're done and this is it. I'm not even gonna lie. I was worried at first. I was worried. We've had better installs, but I feel like this is kind of good. I think because I used the no glue. I think that's what it was. But you know, I'm feeling this. Definitely looking in 22. Y'all seen the back side? Oh. Period. I'm just hyped. But yes, you guys. So shout out to Xrsbeauty for sponsoring this video and sending them this bomb. 22 inch. I think this is 150 distance because it's giving not thin but like natural silk straight vibe. And yes, I don't have a shirt on. I don't like clothes. But yeah, I didn't know if I wanted to do a middle, but I'm like, I haven't done a stop one straight in a minute. Only thing I'm not gonna be comfortable with, I really want to curl my hair this weekend. And this is not gonna hold no curl, but it's okay. So once again, this is the Xrsbeauty single knot. Yeah, scalp. Yeah, and that's just that on that. So you guys already know what I'm about to say. I want you guys to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Everybody say thank you to Xrsbeauty because they gave us another mango. And you guys, I'll see y'all in my next video. Later, my Zay dolls.